Good evening, YouTube. This is Cabela's order I placed on Monday, and it wasn't really much of a special order, or 22 related order, but some Hornady Zombie ammo. I like to collect this stuff just because. Anyways, I found some 7.62 on sale for $14.88, which is the lowest I've seen for that. So I got 5 boxes of that. Let's see. Nice big old brick. Since I'm doing this one-handed on my cell phone, that's all you get to see of that. Oops, sorry. Again, that was 7.62 for $14.88. That's not the box of ammo. This is. And then this over here was, I got the 22, and I got Hornady 9mm. I was aiming for 9mm, but I didn't get the $5 shipping, so I had a box of 22, which wasn't bad. $19.99. That's where I've been seeing prices for. Maybe not great prices, but anyways, 9mm. $17.99. I buy that stuff up when it's at that price for critical defense ammo. I buy that up, and there it is. 9mm. 9mm. 25 count box. So I got me 3 boxes of those. I have a bunch at home. And here's my Federal 325 count box. Adding it to my Federal Auto Match 325 count boxes. And then I already showed you my Winchester 22s, some Remington, and I have a whole bunch more right underneath here. Just since I could show you. 2 cases of Browning, another 2,000 rounds of Browning, and I got some mixed ammo in there, 300 Blackout Hornady, and a upper. Thank you.